Today, you will learn how to convert a PDF file into a DOCX Word document using Google Drive in a very simple way. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once you are inside Google Drive, the first step is to upload your PDF file. To do this, click on the New button on the left side, then click on File Upload and select the PDF file from your computer. Wait for the upload to complete. After the file is uploaded, you will see it in your Drive list. Now, here comes the main step. Right-click on the uploaded PDF file and choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. When you do this, Google Drive will automatically convert your PDF file into an editable Google Docs format. This process may take a few seconds, depending on the size of your file. Once it opens, you will notice that your PDF content is now editable like a normal document, meaning you can change text, remove content, or add anything you want. Now, if your goal is to convert this into a DOCX file, which is Microsoft Word format, you just need one more simple step. Go to the top menu, click on File, then click Download, and from the options, select Microsoft Word.docx. Your file will now be downloaded in DOCX format, and you can open it in Microsoft Word anytime without any issue. If this video helped you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.